Hey, this is Nathan Gist, and I want to ask you a question most people never stop long enough to answer. Who are you without the struggle? Not the pressure, not the proving, not the pain that you've turned into purpose. I mean you. Underneath the grind, the chaos, the need to push harder every day just to feel like you've earned your space. See, for a lot of high performers, struggle becomes identity. We start believing if I'm not fighting for it, I'm not worthy of it. If I'm not suffering, I'm not growing. If I slow down, I'll lose my edge. But that's not strength. That's survival. On autopilot. Somewhere along the line, your nervous system got trained into associating this intensity with identity. So now you don't feel fully alive unless you're under pressure. You don't feel valuable unless you are rescuing someone. You don't feel motivated unless there's something on fire. But let me ask you, what if you could win without the war? What if you could expand without exhaustion? What if your next level isn't about adding more struggle, but subtracting the belief that struggle is the only way to grow? Because here's the truth. You don't have to suffer to succeed. You don't have to self-destruct to stay driven. You don't have to carry your entire story like a badge of honor just to prove that you belong. You belong because you do. Not because you've earned it through blood, sweat, and emotional scars. And if that hits, good. Because maybe you've been addicted to the struggle long enough. Maybe you've been tying your worth to your wounds, your value to your victories, your strength to how much you can endure before breaking. But you're not here to break. You're here to build. You're not just the fighter. You're the founder of the new identity. And maybe today is the day that you let go of that version of you that feels powerful only in pain. Maybe it's time to release the story that says hard equals holy, or struggle equals growth, or peace equals weakness. That's not a blueprint. That's a burnout in disguise. So ask yourself this. Who are you when you're rested? Who are you when you are supported? Who are you when you're not playing defense against life? Can you still show up powerful when it's not falling apart? Can you lead when it's quiet? Can you still believe you're worthy when there's no emergency? That's the work. You're not just here to survive the fire. You're here to step out of it and to learn how to shine without burning. You're allowed to be powerful and peaceful. You're allowed to be successful and safe. You're allowed to let go of the struggle story and still rise. So today, ask yourself honestly, who am I without the struggle? And don't be surprised when the answer sounds a lot like freedom. And if you need help, I'm here.